Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has launched a sharp attack on the BJP-led Union government, accusing it of dismantling MGNREGA and vowing to fight until the scheme is replaced. Addressing the MGNREGA Bachao Sangraam rally on Monday 23rd February in Chikkaballapur, CM Siddaramaiah said that the Congress would strongly oppose the centre's move to replace the rural employment scheme with a new law. He declared that the Save MGNREGA campaign has begun across the country and has now formally started in Karnataka as well. The Chief Minister alleged that the centre has scrapped the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act and replaced it with the Vikasit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar Ajivika Mission Gramin Act. He said there was no justification for removing a scheme that provided livelihood security to rural India. Recalling the origins of MGNREGA, Siddaramaiah said the act was passed in the year 2005 when Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister. Siddaramaiah emphasized that the scheme was designed to support rural labourers, Adivasis, small farmers and women, and reflect the vision of Mahatma Gandhi to strengthen India's villages. CM Siddaramaiah also accused the centre of pushing the new law through Parliament without proper debate. He claimed that the bill was discussed for just 8 hours before being passed in December 2025. According to the Chief Minister, nearly 12 crore workers have been affected by the removal of MGNREGA, with women forming 53% of the beneficiaries and SCs and STs accounting for 28%. The Chief Minister made it clear that the Congress will continue its agitation until MGNREGA is fully restored, calling it a lifeline for rural India.